Gwayam Sidwen, Dr. Kathy Martin here, candidate for National Chief of the Assembly of First Nations. And I'd like to take a few moments to explain my strategies for implementing change. As political leaders, my fellow candidates, and all the nation's chiefs and councils, we share a passion for addressing the issues that affect us all as First Nation people, as well as a passion for promoting and preserving our language and traditions. So what sets me apart from the rest of the candidates seeking to lead the Assembly of our First Nations? Well, in addition to being a grassroots politician, a mother and a grandmother, I'm an academic. My resume is quite diverse. Not only do I have experience as a First Nation politician, but I have experience with education, health, social services, economic development, and justice. So what I want to convey here is I have a doctorate degree in educational leadership and curriculum instruction. And how the skills I've acquired with this education is going to be beneficial in moving the country forward in the issues that we face. So we're all aware of the initiatives of Truth and Reconciliation, Missing and Murdered Indigenous Women and Girls. And the research has been done, the suggestions have been made, but what this country continues to struggle with is the effective implementation of these recommendations. My specialty as a curriculum developer is taking the objectives from here and bringing them to realization over here in a step-by-step process. And my strategies for doing this is to develop frameworks that are based on research that is also found within my publication of Strengthening Canadian Indigenous Relations, which is based on a contrast of holistic and hierarchical value systems. So do I have all the answers? Absolutely not. But I do know where the answers lie, and the answers lie within each and every First Nation within this country. And it is by developing frameworks that we can address the specific issues that are inclusive of each nation's diversity, and that is also respective and considerate of the factors that are involved. Only then can we begin to effectively implement the recommendations for improvements that are respective of each First Nation's diversity. Walalio.